Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are making KFC's famous chicken bowls. So go ahead and dice your chicken up into bite-sized pieces and go ahead and preheat a skillet and throw in some olive oil. The seasoning I used for these, it was garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, paprika, and I did cornstarch to get a nice crispy texture. And you're going to cook that for about 8 to 9 minutes on medium heat. And so this is going to be for the mashed potatoes. This is just basically like something to dump in to make them creamy instead of butter. I wanted to try it with milk as well and heat it up and melt it all in together. So yeah, on medium heat, I kind of blended that all in together. Then I dumped it into my mashed potatoes, and then I just whisked it until the consistency I liked essentially. And I added salt and pepper to these as well. And then we're gonna go ahead and start some gravy. So I did 4 tablespoons of butter, and I added in however much flour I kind of thought. I didn't measure this. I just added it to where I thought would be thick enough to make the roux. And then I used vegetable stock. I heated that up in the microwave for about a minute, and then same thing. I think this was a cup and a half, and I just slowly dumped it in on low to medium heat, and I whisked that until it kind of thickened up. And I just did canned corn was the easiest option right now. But we're going to go and start making it. So go ahead and put the mashed potatoes as your base layer. I threw gravy on as the second layer, and I'm going to come back to it again. Go ahead and throw on some of those chickens, and then go ahead and do some corn. And then, like I said, I'm going to come back with some more gravy. This was a really simple meal. It wasn't too hard. It was actually really good. Yeah, I suggest you try it out yourself. But yeah, thank you for watching, and come back again.